National People's Party NPP ki President Oiriba Meghalaya ki Chief Minister Conrad K.Sangma na ngasi NPP Manipur State Unit ki Office SANGGAKHRE CM Conrad K.Sangma numit nini ki khongchata ngasi Imphal da thunglakibani ngasi ayuk Imphal da hek thunglabaga Mantri Pukri ki Marcy Lenda leiba Party Office SANGGAKHRE Thoromaduda NPP Manipur State Unit ki President Dr. Lorho S4J National Vice President I. Hemochandra, MLA KH Loken Amadi Atai Official Singh Sarukyaki. Party ke office sangaba aduda CM Conrad K.Sangma na nungaiba fongdoki loinana mifamama su pangthoktuna hauzik Oiriba Manipur gi fibam amadi hayeng ayuk MSF DS ki auditorium da CM Conrad K.Sangma na sarukyaduna pangthokadoriba NPP Manipur State Unit ki annual convention gi matangda wafam kayasu khanaki haidi.
Because only after finishing all the proceedings will I be able to get finally consolidated report to all of you. Therefore, I urge and I request if we be allowed to continue with our program. And then tomorrow, as I said, after finishing 2 days of different programs, I'll be briefed the press about all the details. But just at least for this particular program, I am very happy that we have finally inaugurated the party office here in Nepal, and this is a very, very important step towards structuring and organizing the party. And I congratulate our state president, our respected MLAs, and all these state office bearers for working tirelessly and with full commitment to ensure that this particular office was completed on time. And as I said, today is a very, very auspicious day for us